We'll see if you can see the snow any better on my cell phone. Man, it's so weird. There we go. See a little bit of it. So snow is falling. Not very much. But it's coming down, yo. It's coming down.
Temperatures rising to -1 this evening, then falling. For Friday, snow ending in the morning, then cloudy with 60% chance of flurries. Blowing snow in the morning. Winds northwest 30 kilometers per hour, gusting to 50. Temperature falling to -8 in the afternoon. Stanley, Doketown, Blackville area, winter.
It's crazy how on a camera you just can't see the snow, but it's snowing. There's lots of people at the bus stop over there wondering why I'm filming them, but hey, you're on TV, so fuck off. So as you can see, it's 10 to 3 Atlantic time zone, and the snow started falling at noon, and it has picked up considerably. It's gotten a little windier out. I haven't seen what the gusts are so far, but my brother, who works downtown, they were sent home at about 1 o'clock. Transit is no longer running. The government has been shut down. Anybody who works for the government in any of those departments. And yeah, so it's starting to really pick up now. Yeah, it's not too windy yet, but there are some gusts of wind that have come. Right, kitty? Hmm? Huh? Just take a look outside. I had a nice little drift that had already started to build up, and yeah, traffic's starting to die down.